So today we have this package and we're doing an unboxing. So I know you're wondering what's inside the package. Oh wait, no you're not. You saw the title of this video and came here. Let's get straight into it. Alright, I see a little seal. A pink box. That seems sensible. Oh, here we go. We have... Ugh, doesn't want to come out. The signature Apple box. So this is the iPhone XR. It's the Coral version. It has 128 gigabytes of storage. So let's put all this aside. Oh, whoa. Whoops. Why is this so slow? Designed by Apple in California. Even the paper has a notch. Oh, it says hello in Spanish. That's gonna say, I keep dropping this. Whoa, it's just saying hello in a bunch of languages right now. So you can see the back. We got the Coral edition. Why is peeling off plastic feel so good? So the glass back actually feels really nice. So the really big difference between this and the iPhone XS and XS Max is just the the screen and the camera. But to be honest, this is not bad. This is not at all bad. I don't get why people are complaining about this display. It looks really nice, and I have seen my uncle's iPhone X display, and that's about the same. So I think for a for a way lower price, this is actually really nice. Hey, that rhymes. Now we're gonna connect to our Wi-Fi network. If you haven't realized, we're recording with an iPhone 7 right now. So, glass back. Ooh. The signature notch. Single camera because it's the XR. And the aluminum build actually feels nicer in the hand than the stainless steel build. I'm not even joking, actually. This feels almost smoother because I've felt an iPhone X before and I know that's the same material. Oh, let's put the password. The same material for the iPhone XS and XS Max. And we're connected to Wi-Fi. So now it's gonna activate the phone. So in that while we can just, look at the phone. It has volume buttons over here. I'm guessing this is the power/Siri button. I'm not absolutely sure. This is where a home button used to go a long time ago. Whoa, okay. Continue, I guess. Okay, let's start Face ID. Okay, cool. Okay, second scan complete. Face ID is now set up. I'm gonna just put the old password. Whoops. And so now we're gonna have to put the data into this from my mom's old phone into this one. But that's about it for the unboxing. Next step, we'll see you for the review and the specs. Thank you.